Hi, today I'm going to explain ICP9. So this is my AmLab setup. I created my account using vTotiga and my collection. First of all, I created the database with Totiga or Sampath. Sampath is my partner name, and I have a collection called student details. In student details, currently I am having 7 records with major as five computer, four computer science, two electronics, and one biotechnology with minor. I also created that timestamp which I created, that is created down and updated down. And this is my client, how it looks. So before to that, let me start the server. So the database connection is successful. So once the server is up and running, first I'll try to retrieve the data. I have used the regex, so I can write in short that for computer side I write it as comp. So I have four tuples that are retrieved here with a timestamp that is created on. Likewise, I have for electronics and biotechnology. I also created a search by using minor. So using minor, I search it as data science for I created as data, searched as data. So I created here. Also, we can create an new tuple that is since yeah, I created this class ID 8 test test major as test minor as test. So once it has been created, detail save successfully. So let me search the same thing, uh, the the one which we have created just now. So as we can see, this has been created just now at 6:59 p.m. with the current date. So I'll jump into explaining my client side code first. So I'm up and running now. I'll just stop it here since the demo is finished. This is my index HTML page. I have created a client using Angular 6. So the app.module.ts looks like this. I have all imported all the modules and service providers here and injected in the ng module. And in app.component, yes, I have nothing much here. But in app.component.html, I have a navbar application which is at the top and footer and two pages, that is a register page and a home page. Here we call it as a component. So as we can see here in the client, we have a header, footer. This left part is a register and right part is a home page. So if we go each thing individually, in navbar in HTML, I just created a header here, and in nav footer, in a footer I have nothing much created but just creating a footer. And in home page, I created a form to take the text fields as an input and search. So have a select options to select for major or minor, and to search text I have taken input field, and at the below I have written a logic to display the results. So in ts file I just take the inputs and I call into my local server 3000 with the stolen search with the query parameter search by and search text, and the result will be stored in the result variable. This is about searching the fields. And for register, Same, I have created a form here again with fields, class ID, name, course, and major and minor. So on submit, I'm creating a on create call. Same thing here, I declared all the variables. With on create function, it is calling my local server with API URL student create. I'm posting the data using post http.post, and I'm showing the result with the alert. So in the server part, these are the entries we just enter in the demo game. I'm going to just stop it here. So app.js is the kickstart for the server file. I have instantiated all the uh, libraries that I needed for my server, and using my config dblab username and password, I connected to my database here, and I wrote the return thing is a promise. If it is success, that is database connection is successful. If it is if it is in a failure, I will show it as unsuccessful. My APIs are in my controllers. So in controllers, I have index file. Here I have two APIs, that is one post and one get. So in get, I'll connect to the my MongoDB, and I have used regex here to search for the text with in case sensitive as option false, and I'm sending back to the client here. Same wise for creating a student, I take it from a post call, post all the details that are coming from the client, and retrieve back details if successfully in case of success, and failure if anything goes wrong. This is all about my ICP9. Thank you.